Good morning to all. I am a student of grade 7 SPDS Jayanthian. Now we are going to see about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's role and achievement. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was first worked as a scientist, then science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization and Indian Space Research Organization before he became the President of India. After graduating from Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Dr. Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization as a scientist after becoming a member of the Defense Research and Development Service. He started his career by making a small home craft, but remained unconvinced by his choice of job at DRDO. Dr. Kalam's role as a president. Dr. Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India in 2002 with support of major political parties, widely referred to as the People's President. He returned to his civilian life of education, writing, and public service after a single term as president. Dr. Kalam's innings at ISRO. In 1969, Dr. Kalam was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization, where he was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in near Earth orbit in July 1980. Dr. Kalam had first started work on an expendable rocket project independently at DRDO in 1965. Now let's see his achievements. He helped build India's first indigenous hovercraft. He was part of the team which set up Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Dr. Kalam was the project director of India's first SLV. He was responsible for the successful launch of Agni and Prithvi missiles and much more. Thank you.